Hello, namaste, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. So, in this video, we're gonna learn how to read and write days of the week in Korean. So, let's start. So, first, let's learn what is days of the week in Korean called. So, in Korean, it is called Yo-il. 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 It is called Yoil because all the Korean days of the week ends with this word Yoil. So days of the week means Yoil. Now let's learn what Monday to Sunday will be called. In Korean we say Monday as War Yoil. War Yoil. War-yo-il. Tuesday, Hwa-yo-il. 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 Wednesday, Su-yo-il. 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 Thursday, Mok-yo-il. 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 Friday, Kum-yo-il. 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 Saturday, To-yo-il. 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 Last is Sunday. Il-yo-il. 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 Say it one more time. War-yo-il. Hwa-yo-il. Su-yo-il. Mok-yo-il. Kum-yo-il. To-yo-il. Il-yo-il. Now, if you have memorized all the days of the week in Korean, then let's know what is the meaning of it. Like each Korean days of the week has their special meanings. War means moon. Hwa means fire. Su means water. Mok means tree. Kum means cold. To means earth. And il means sun. Now when you learn the names and meanings of the days of the week in Korean, then let's know how to ask a question or give an answer of the days of the week in Korean. If you want to ask someone, what day is it today? So how will you say this in Korean? You'll say, 오늘 무슨 요일이요? 오늘 무슨 요일이요? 오늘 means today, 무슨 means what, 요일이요 means days of the week. So if you want to ask what day is it today, so you will say 오늘 무슨 요일이요? Or if you want to say it is Wednesday today, so you will say 오늘은 수요일이에요. 오늘은 수요일이에요. I hope my today's video will be helpful for you to learn days of the week in Korean. I will come back very soon with my next video. Till then, stay healthy and keep learning Korean like this. Annyeong!